agriculture practice. After soil preparation, next step is selection and sowing of seeds. This is the most important stage of crop production. Plants grow from seeds. Before sowing seeds, it is important to select the seeds. Selected seeds should be clean, healthy and disease-free. Seeds should be treated with fungicides. High yielding variety seeds are better than the normal seeds and give higher yield and higher agricultural produce. After the selection of seeds, they need to be sown. So we should know that what is sowing. Sowing is the process of placing seeds in the soil. The soil is watered before sowing. The following precautions should be taken while sowing seeds in the soil. Seeds should be sown at appropriate depth. If seeds are sown too deep, they will fail to germinate. If the seeds are sown too close to the soil surface, they can easily be eaten by birds and other animals. The seeds must be sown at proper intervals. If they are too close, they will not get enough water, sunlight and nutrients. We should avoid overcrowding of seeds, otherwise there will be competition among plants for nutrient, sunlight and water. Methods of sowing seeds. First is the broadcasting or manual method. The method in which the seeds are scattered over the field by hand is called broadcasting. This method is not efficient because it does not ensure proper spacing between seeds or help to sow them at the correct depth. Second, by traditional tool. The traditional tool for sowing seeds is shaped like a funnel, having 2 or 3 vertical long tubes with sharp ends. The seeds are filled into funnel, passed down through the pipes with sharp ends. The sharp ends pierce the soil and place the seeds there. Third, by seed drill. A seed drill has a funnel-shaped seed bowl connected to 4 or 5 pipes with sharp ends. These sharp ends can penetrate the soil easily. The drill is used with the help of tractor. The drill makes proper furrows in the field and gradually drops the seed at right depth into the soil. This method saves time and labor and is more efficient than traditional tool. Fourth is transplantation. Seeds of some plants like rice, onion, chilies, etc. The seeds are not put in the field directly but are sown in nurseries. When they grow into small plants, they are manually shifted to big fields. And this method helps in selecting and planting only healthy seedling. Spacing can be controlled because of manual plantation. Plants get sufficient sunlight, nutrients and water from the soil.